If you're still confused on how to place a sell order on MetaTrader 4 as a beginner, then this video is for you, because in this video I will show you exactly how you can place your sell order on MetaTrader 4. So the first question is, when do you place a sell order in Forex trading? You place a sell order when you think that the market is going down, okay? When you think that the market is going to depreciate, that is when you place a sell order, so that as the market moves down, you make profit. Remember, currency trading or forex trading is an exchange of two currencies. So when you are selling any currency pair, what it really means is that you are selling the base currency, which is depreciating, and you are buying the counter currency, which is appreciating. Okay, so from this chart we find out that this USD card has been in a downward trend. And how do we know? We find out that price has been forming lower highs and lower lows. Now we are seeing the market rally back towards this most recent high. Okay, so if I believe that the market is still going to continue this downward trend, then I can put a sell order and put my stop loss above the previous high, believing that this price is going to continue in a downward trend. Your take profit will be below the entry price. So I'm going to place an instant order right now. Then instead of putting my stop loss and take profit while setting the order, I would rather prefer to adjust this so that you will see how to also modify your trade when it is on. Okay, I will just click on this plus button here. You will see instant execution, which means that I want to enter at the current market price. Okay, then the next one is your lot size. So I will set my lot size. So let's say I want to trade 0.5, which is half a standard lot. Okay, then instead of placing my stop loss and my take profit right now, I would want to sell, so that later I will show you how to modify the order. So that is just exactly why I am not putting the stop loss and the take profit instantly. But it's always good for you to place your stop loss and your take profit while placing your trade. But just for the purpose of this video, because I want to show you how to modify the trade when it is already on, that is why I will be leaving the stop loss and the take profit open. Okay, remember we said we want to sell, so I'll click on sell right now. So here is the sell. Okay, so this is the sell order. So now we have our sell order. When we get back to our chart, the sell order is right here. So and we said that we want to put our stop loss above this high, so I can check the price with my crosshair. So let's say I want to put my stop loss as 1.3669, or just say 1.3670. Okay, let's put it that way. So that's where I want to place my stop loss. All right, and that's about 26 pips from the current market price. The current market price is 1.3644, and I'm looking at putting my stop loss 1.3670. okay, that's about 26 pips stop loss. Okay, then my take profit, let's say I want to take my profits just at this low, or maybe even at this previous low, and that is 1.3560. that is where I want to take my profit. That's about 84 pips from the market price that we entered. So I will now return back to my trade. There are two ways to modify the trade. Either you long press on the trade and it will bring out this pop-up, then you can click on modify order. That is one way. So if I click on modify order, it comes up, so I can modify the trade here. And the other way is just to swipe to the left, and when you swipe to the left, you see this pencil icon. You click on it, then you set your stop loss now. So let's say the stop loss we agreed should be 1.3670. okay, then the take profit will be 1.3560. so once I've done that, I'll click modify. So the order is modified, and when I get to my charts, this is the sell order I placed here, this is the stop loss right over here, and there is the take profit right down here. So that is exactly how you place sell order in MetaTrader 4 mobile app. So if you got value from this very video, I want you to hit that like button, ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos, and do not forget to share this video with someone that may have need of it. See you in my next video. Do have a great day.